How to harvest rich gourd seeds. I had grown rich gourd this year, and I thought I will one of the rich gourds I will keep it for to harvest the seeds. Allowed the rich gourd to ripen and dry up on the vine itself. Rich gourd. So now I am going to cut it up. And then remove the seeds. So some of the seeds will fall off. Then you cut it open and then take out the rest of the seeds. So these are the seeds. Take the seeds, now this is dud, and store it in a airtight container till you are ready to plant them then the following year.